best view. Babe! 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 Babe!
Pabalik na drive ka later.
We're ready for our first day for the Philippines-Japanese Film Festival. See you later, Bambi. Hindi pala si Bambi. Si Twinkle pala today. Bukas pa pala ipapalabas si Bambi. Si Twinkle muna tayo. Call me Mother Day. Okay, let's do this. Team Philippines. For the Philippines-Japanese Film Festival. See you later, Bambi. Hindi pala si Bambi. Si Twinkle pala today. Bukas pa pala ipapalabas si Bambi. Si Twinkle muna tayo. Call me Mother Day. Okay, let's do this. Team Philippines.
Sugoi! Nice! Maganda! Wow!
Hello po! Konnichiwa! Dress up. Pues no de mis pasos, ¿no?
Nakiraan pa lang kami.
First day na sila.
Pose para la cámara. Click, click. Juntos en todo mi gang. Selfie. Quítale ese filtro, mami.
For the mga
Yo
kababayan
no necesito Paris. Fuego con los ladies. Somos bien baby. Así o más sexy. Sexy. Este es mi playground. No sabes si juegas. Hoy saco chispas, homie, a ver si llegas.
Hi, bye.
Dinayo ka namin. Dinayo ka namin. June Robes na festival.
Nyo din at nabigyan din namin ng magandang pagtalakay yung kung paano natin itinuturing ang pamilya natin sa Pilipinas bilang mga Pilipino. And I also want to say thank you very much to all the Japanese people who are here who have given us the chance and the opportunity to showcase Filipino talent and the beauty of Filipino movies. Thank you very much. God bless you.
So, gusto niyo malaman na kung paano kayo naging role na yung mother, bilang mother, as mother. So, So how did you make, your role for this movie?
Okay, in the recent years, I have been portraying a lot of roles already. I have been a brother, a son. I have been in the military, but this is the very first time that I was able to portray the role of a mother. So Direct June Robeslana has been figuring out a new concept for me, and he absolutely thought that as a mother it would best fit me, and so we did that character for this movie, and it was a very life-changing experience for me, because in the Philippines, I usually call my fans and my supporters my little ponies, and they call me back their mother horse. I am their mother horse, and fortunately I have been treated and considered by a lot of Filipinos as their meme or as their mother, and so it is a very rewarding and life-changing experience for me to be able to portray the role of a mother in this movie. And thanks to Direct June Robeslana.
Yeah. Yeah, ito yun. Yan. Yan siya. Liit lang niya. Oh, di ba? Ano siya?
Hindi siya kawawa ngayon, pinagkakagin.
Punch.
Nagpakita siya, ibig sabihin maganda ang
Punch.
eksena.
Punch. Punch. Jowa time daw muna sila. Jowa time. Ayan, jowa time daw muna. Jowa time. Oh, alam mo nang dapat. Jowaan muna kami. Ayun siya. Ayun, umikot tayo. Ayun, umikot. Mali.
Lapitan mo onte. Sagad mo sa paa. Sagad mo sa paa. Sige pa. Hindi yun. Yan, pa. Perfect. Lapit. Half lang, ha. Paan, ha. Katawan.
Video. Picture.
Picture. Paano?
Wait.
Bomber.
So, one, two, three. 1, 2, 3, go. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pwede na yan.
Ano pa yung